How to input business in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to input business in TurboTax, then you want to log into your TurboTax online account or open the desktop software. Once you have been logged in, open or continue your return. Now navigate to Schedule C section. For this, you can search for the Schedule C and select the Jump to link. Now, answer yes to did you have any self-employment income or expenses? Then answer the questions until you get the select any expense categories you have screen. Now you want to select your expenses. Then click on Continue. If you have already worked in this section, select Edit or Review next to your business. Then select Start or Edit next to an expense type that you had. Now enter your expense description and amount and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.